This text animation is viral on social media, and motion designers are using it according to their requirements. But today, I'm going to show you how to create this animation in After Effects. You'll also learn how to create an advanced typewriter effect. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's create a new composition. Give it a name and you can see my composition settings on the screen. Now I am going to select the type tool and then I will write a single text line into this composition, then align it to the center as well. Now we begin with the basic effect, which is the typewriter effect. So I search for the typewriter effect and add it to this layer. And if I scrub the timeline, you can see it will animate like a typewriter. But by default, it reveals the characters one by one, and if you look closely, you can see the characters appear suddenly on the screen. They should appear like a fade in effect. So to solve this problem, simply open the Range Selector property and under it, open the Advanced properties. In this section, you will find the Smoothness property. Simply increase the value to 100% so you can see fading characters in the composition. Just below it, you will find Ease High and Ease Low properties, which you can manipulate to customize this fading look. And now if I play the small preview, you can see how it will appear on the screen. Now it looks much better. Next, we are going to see how we can create a follow-up text animation. So for that, I am going to duplicate this layer, and then I will move the top layer forward a little bit. Then I will change the bottom layer color as well. You can set any color you want. And if I play the preview, you can see how it will look on the screen. This part is very easy, right? But let me tell you what the problem is in this animation. Now, if I want to add a glow effect to the highlighted text layer, so let's see what happens. Search for a glow effect, and then add it to this layer, which is our highlighted layer. And now you can see our whole text line is glowing, and that's not what we want. We want only that particular section to be glowing. So to solve this problem, simply open the Range Selector of the second text layer. Then under it, you will find the Advanced section. And then you will find the Mode option. Simply change it to Subtract. For now, simply turn off the first text layer. Then go to the first frame and add a keyframe on the End property. Then change its value to 0. Then go to the second keyframe and change its value to 100%. After that, select the top two keyframes and drag them forward a little bit. As you can see, we can control the visibility of the highlighted text by dragging this keyframe forward and backward, so you can adjust the length of the highlighted text by using the keyframe position. And once you are satisfied, simply check the small preview and you can see only the highlighted text is animating and the glow effect is only visible on the highlighted text. Now I'm going to turn back on the first text layer and let's see the preview. And now it is perfect. However, you can adjust the glow effect of this highlighted text to make it more attractive. But now I'm going to move forward and show you how you can create this kind of typewriting text animation. So first of all, I select both text layers and then I change the font to something minimalistic because this effect looks perfect on a minimal font. So this one looks perfect. Now I select the bottom text layer and then place it above the first text layer. Next, I go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Turbulent Displacement effect and then add it to this layer. Now you can see the distortion effect on this highlighted text. So next, I'm going to change the size to around 25 and then I change the amount to around 90 and now it looks good to me. Next, I'm going to duplicate the glow effect and then I change its settings. Also, I'm going to change its color to light blue. And now it looks much better. I feel that the animation is quite slow, so open the keyframes and then adjust their position to speed up the animation. And now it looks perfect. And you can see the result is fabulous. Now it's up to you how you can customize this highlighted text. So that's how you can create an advanced typewriting text animation in After Effects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.